afternoon, it's Ted at Sester Farms. It's spring 25. We're showing you how we build our racking system. These are custom made for us with our Sester Farms color of blue. Thought you'd like that. You get to keep this rack. This rack is included with your nursery stock. Here, we're watching them build. We use all new wood. We use strapping across. The strap goes underneath, it supports the shelf, it keeps it from stretching apart. We're taking multiple precautions so there's no collapsed shelving. We use all brand new material. We're doing everything possible at Sester Farms to give you a great experience in shipping and having no damage with our beautiful plant material.